For over 5 years, AirWell H2O has been perfecting a pioneering technology that uses dehumidification to generate water in high enough volume that millions of lives can be saved around the world. Our solution to these problems is a modular line of products that can produce all the water the world needs from a 100% sustainable source, the endless supply of water trapped in the Earth's atmosphere. The sun is the powerful driving force behind the hydrologic cycle phenomenon. It maintains an equilibrium between the Earth's surface and oceans and the air above it. Water is restored to the atmosphere via natural water evaporation from surface water and soil and transpiration from trees and vegetation. The resulting water vapor, commonly called humidity, is stored in the atmosphere. Moisture is returned to the Earth as rain or snow is necessary to maintain equilibrium and complete the cycle, so there will always be a certain amount of moisture in the air. NASA estimates that about 380 quadrillion gallons of water is stored in the atmosphere at all times. That's 3.8 times 10 to the 17th power. We have developed a water production system that harnesses a portion of the natural hydrologic cycle. The system takes in filtered humid air, forces the trapped water vapor in the air to rain inside the container, and collects the resulting water before it can run off. Finally, we eliminate any remaining contaminants in the water using nature's most powerful purification, ozone and ultraviolet light, in combination with a multi-filtration process built to DoD standards. Our patented hyper dehumidification and proprietary purification process extracts water from the air more efficiently than previous generation technology, producing twice the water with only a quarter of the power. While product models powered by grid electricity and diesel generators are available, our products are so efficient that they can be solar powered with no ecological impact and nearly zero operating cost, and we expect most products will be ordered with this option. AirWell's water production products are housed within sturdy exterior shells. For example, our largest model, the AirWell 1000, is housed in the standard 20-foot cargo shipping container. This allows the AirWell 1000 to be handled with the same industrial equipment used for all standard cargo shipping containers and provides numerous delivery options: truck, rail, and cargo ship. Rugged durability and shockproof construction ensures that it can be delivered to and operate in the harshest rural climates. Modular redundancy of key components ensures reliability and low maintenance. Our products can be deployed anywhere there is adequate temperature and humidity, including the zones on this map classified as semi-arid to humid. These regions provide water production and pipeline distribution points over most of the Earth's surface. The water we produce is free from chemical and biological contaminants with a distinctive pleasant taste and unique beneficial properties. Existing methods of oxygenating water relying on dissolving oxygen in pressurized bottles, an effect which is lost as soon as the bottle is opened. Our process bonds supplemental oxygen to the water at the molecular level so that it can be readily absorbed by the body's tissue and bloodstream while being consumed. It does not require the water to be bottled and is far more stable than previous methods. AirWell H2O, saving lives through water.